Hi everyone, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D and the Diecast Workshop. So look, we've got another little unboxing video here. It's only a small one, but I'll get these ones out of the way because I'm busting my backside to open the boxes. So I'll get them opened and we'll get them looked at. So. I've already busted this box open because I was impatient. So got that one out sitting here. Okay, get some weird looking ones here coming out. Look out. This looks like a fun hoe, this one. Certainly is. She's a fun hoe made in New Zealand, number 54, front end wheel loader. It's in pretty good shape there. Look right when it's restored and painted. No longer made anymore, these fun hoes. If you're in the modelling bits and pieces there, you'll probably know what I mean by that. So you can't just go out and buy them. This is a Tomica Hino, made in Japan, steel base. One of the older ones there, Hino truck. In pretty good shape actually. Played with shape of course, but still all in pieces. Axles are all looking pretty good and straight, all running well there. That's a nice little beauty. And this is a little Tough Tots. Yeah, Tough Tots, made in England. Dodge Dart, scale, 185. All metal top and bottom. A lot of railways and all that sort of stuff there, like these there. These are, got quite a few of these little Tough Tots in there. When I get them all sorted out, I'm going to end up putting all my vintage stuff up there. I've got more shelves and building at the current moment there to house everything. The little Tough Tots. Right, what else is in this box? Righto, we've got a Tomica Panther 6. Ooh, looks like something out of the Thunderbirds. Looks like something out of the Thunderbirds to me. But I'm not too up to speed with them sorts of things there. Maybe someone might be able to tell me in the comments or whatever else there. But it's a Tomica and it's made in Japan, so it's a vintage one now because they're not made in there anymore. What else have we got here? Come up there. Oh, here we go. Another Tomica. Oh, this is a nice one. This will go into my collection. This is a Tomica Toyota Celica 2000 GT. 1976, pretty good shape really. Has been played with, but hasn't been aggressively played with, which is a good thing. This one's open closed doors, also right hand drive. Awesome, nice little machine. That'll go in my collection. That one all there. Probably roll off the plate. It's going to look that good. Oh, there we go. Another Tomica. Get all this stuff off the road. There, another Tomica. The old bus there. I've got one of those up there that I'm modifying. That'll put a big set of rims on up there. That's in pretty good played with shape. All working good. Tailgate needs a little bit of adjustments into it because everyone reefs it up too high. This is an all metal job. So yes. Pretty good shape. High Ace bus van, Toyota High Ace. Yeah, cool little boom machine. Another one here. What have we got here? Ooh, Honda Civic, Tomica, Honda Civic, Honda Accord. Sorry, get it right. Honda Accord. It's had a fair bit of play with, but all the bumper bars still in one piece. Back one's steel, so that's lucky. Windows are all reasonably pretty good. Open and close the doors. Another right hand drive. Yep. So that's been played with condition, but in pretty good shape, really considering. It's not a bad little unit. So I'm getting across a nice little collection of Tomicas. What have we got in this one here? Let's have a look ski. Yatmin BMW 2800, made in Hong Kong. Yatmin, when they first started making cars. And that's an old style BMW. The axles are a bit wonky donkey. Been broken off. But we'll restore that there. It's an old model Yatmin, one of the first ones that come out, so made in Hong Kong. I don't know what sticky tape's on there for. A bit weird, but yeah, it's in reasonably good shape, believe it or not. All the bumpers, the tail lights and everything, so that'll restore it really nice. It looks really bad on the front, but it's only the chrome worn off. As you can see, all the edges are still nice and sharp. It'll come up alright. Little Yatmin. Little BMW, old school BMW. Yeah, what have we got here? Another Yatmin. Oh, there we go. Oh, look out. Another Yatmin. That's in 280Z. Pretty nice. Like that. It's in pretty good shape. All steel base. That's a plastic bumper there though, but it's all steel base. All original, never been pulled apart. She's a left-hand drive this job. Yeah, so that wheel there's alright, just that all the chrome's worn off it. Because people picking them up by the wheels all the time and everything else, all the oil and acid in your fingers, that's what deteriorates it all. That's why whenever you put decals on a car and you do it all there, you should put it all clear coat. Put a clear coat over it, that way you don't have that problem. It's in pretty good shape. Nice little unit. Going to my collection, of course, go on there, Will. And that's it for that box. Okay, we've got another little box somewhere here. Yep. Oh, this one will be an easy one. This one comes from... trying to work out where it comes from. United Kingdom, it says. This one, there's another one from Diecast. Having open. Just invoice this to Majorette truck. I got this here because I wanted to build this into a transport. I got this as a project. Another project. Not that I need projects. I've got millions of projects. Yeah, it's some Majorette, all metal. Let's have that plastic base plate, but yeah, it's front is all metal. It's in pretty good shape actually. Pretty happy with that. Got that at the right price too. Very cheap. That's why I bought it. Yep, and yeah, we're going to turn it into a transporter. So it's already got the bulkhead there. Put a tray on there, that sort of stuff. It'll look pretty good. But that one there. Need to fill these out of the road. Put that one on there. There. Turn it into a transporter. That's the whole idea. There. That's that one there. And there's another box here. This one here. Come under here, another little box. Like this. Open. Ooh, okay, this is a restore job. Corgi toys, my van. Restore this up here. I will. I've already got a decal kit for this, but I found that on the net and I got it for the right price, so I wasn't going to say no to it, because it's in pretty good shape, as you can see. Windscreen will even polish up nice. It does have a little bit of a kink in the cab, if you can see so I'll straighten that out with a bit of heat. Warm it up there and straighten it out. It's dangerous straightening out that sort of thickness in there when it's cold, because there's a good chance you can snap it. And cast alloy. Yeah, axle's not too secured in the back. Someone was obviously going to do it before the looks of it and didn't get around to it, but yeah, we'll restore that up. We will. She stays on there. Might not turn like it be for that little machine, but yeah, that's that one there, and that's that little box. That was pretty cool little job. A bunch of bits and pieces there and go through all that sort of stuff. Yeah, so there's quite a few good collectibles in there, especially these Tomica ones here. These are hard to get, especially these old school Solecas and that sort of stuff. Especially the Honda Accords, Honda Civic. Yeah, there's a little Honda Civic number 1. No, I think it's number 3. Yeah, and the Funho. I've got plenty of other Funhos. I've got heaps of Funhos in storage. So yeah, but stay tuned. Yeah, subscribe, hit the like button, that'd be great. And you want to have a chat, send us a message across or whatever else there, and we'll go from there. If you've got any ideas what you'd like to see happen in any of those, by all means shoot them through. Thanks for visiting, and don't forget, metalmania3d.com. Thank you.